Hello, my name is Robbie, and I am a personal financial representative here at Salal Credit Union. And today I'm actually going to walk you through the steps of how to deposit a check in the ATM. So, for starters, of course, we all may be aware that the two main items you need are one, your debit card, two, check or cash. And so in this case, we're using a check, being that it's around the time that we're receiving stimulus checks within the next couple of weeks or so. So here is how you would properly endorse the back of your check. You will want to endorse it the same as it is presented on the front side of your check. Follow me. And so here at one of our Salal ATMs, you would actually want to put in your card this way as opposed to this way. As you can see this way, it will fit the same, but if we were to try and insert it into the card slot, of course it would give you an error message. So here, you will want to select it into this way, and then also it gives you the error message here on the screen as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert it the correct way. And then in the next second or so, it'll prompt me to insert my PIN, in which it'll display a message, as you can see. And so I'm gonna go ahead and enter in my PIN and select enter. And then here is the main screen. Here you can actually access all the options we have, which is fast cash, just in case you had somewhere to be quick in a hurry. It gives you that option, but also cash withdrawal, transfer between your accounts, balance inquiry if you just wanted to check and see how much money was in each account, and then the deposit option. So for today, being that we're going through a deposit tutorial, I'm actually going to select the deposit option. And then so here, the next screen, it'll display your accounts, in which here it gives the option of checking or a savings account, in which you can either or is fine, but for the time being, we're going to go ahead and select in the checking account. And then also, again, it gives you the option of whether you want to do it with cash or with a check. And so today we're dealing with the check, so I'll select the check option. And then now here, this is a frequently asked question. We always get, hey, so it doesn't give me the option to insert my check. Where does my check go? So as you can see here in the check slot option, it will not open unless you select continue when ready. So we get that question a lot. So if this isn't open, it's because the continue when ready option was not selected. And then also, once you do select the continue when ready option, be sure to make sure that your check is facing upward so that the ATM can scan your check and validate it as such. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the continue when ready option. And then as you can see here, it went ahead and opened that slot up for me. So I'll go ahead and place the check right side faced up, and its ATM just took it in and it's ready to be validated. As you can see here, it took it in for the amount of the deposit, which is $10, and then also seeing that it was accepted into the ATM. In some cases, I'm not going to say it's more common than not, but it does give you the option to edit the check, whether the amount was incorrect or whether it just didn't read it at all, in which you can go in and select that option and just update that accordingly. But since everything was validated and updated, I'll go ahead and finish the deposit. And then it's processing the request also. And so now once the deposit is finalized, it'll give you the option of receipt options. Basically, if you did not need a receipt, of course you can select that. Or if you needed a receipt, but you wanted the check image or no check image, it also gives you those options as well. So in my case, I want a receipt, but I do not need check images. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that, and then it'll print my receipt. And now be mindful to pay attention to this screen. It'll give you the option to either, if you wanted to go back and make another transaction, whether it be deposit, withdrawal, or balance inquiry, or transfer, you can always go back in and select another transaction. Or if that's all your business for today, go ahead and return card. And then in this case, that concludes our business today for making a deposit in ATM. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you soon.